Hello aviation enthusiasts, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. Golden Epaulettes Aviation is going to be conducting an A320 post and pre-type rating classes. These classes are going to be beneficial for all of those who have done their type rating or are looking forward to going and doing their type rating. As you all must be aware that the vacancies that have been coming up nowadays have only been focusing on type-rated pilots. They're either looking for Boeing 737 type-rated pilots or the Airbus type-rated pilots. So if you are someone who intends to go and get your type rating, or if you've already done your type rating but you need to brush up the subjects, the classes at Golden Epaulettes Aviation will be the right choice for you. Let me quickly tell you the topics that are going to be covered in these classes. The topics are A320 systems, memory items, limitations, A320 performance, the OEBs and MELs. Basically, this is going to help you to crack your airline exams. If you are someone who has applied for the vacancies that have come up recently, then yes, surely you should be attending these classes. We will ensure you your selection into the airlines. Well, for those of you who will not be able to come physically for the classes, you have the option of attending the online classes as well. The classes are planned to be conducted for a duration of 2 to 3 hours. Well, that will be discussed once you contact us for the same. And I'm sure you all know that at Golden Epaulettes Aviation, we take everything very seriously. So after every topic is covered, there will be a test for you all. Let me quickly tell you the syllabus for the A320 classes. You have the Flight Crew Operating Manual, where you will be taught the systems, procedures, normal, abnormal, supplementary, limitations and performance. Then you have your Flight Crew Training Manual, where you will be covering Airbus operational philosophy, management of abnormal operations, procedures that will include normal procedure and abnormal and emergency procedures. The next is the Quick Reference Handbook, where we'll be doing the abnormal and emergency procedures, ECAM advisory and system reset. And the operational data and MEL and OEB applications will be covered from the exam points of view. So without wasting any time, quickly come and register for the classes. If you have any other doubts and queries, please feel free to contact us at our contact number. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!